friends, welcome to today's video. As you can tell from the thumbnail and the title, today I'm going to be opening my August Ipsy bag. If you watched my July Ipsy bag opening, you will have noted that I said I never got my June one and I need to follow up on it. Now, I have found, and I mentioned this in that video, that things were taking quite a while to sort of move back and forth between borders. I think there's extra checks and things going on right now. I was a little disappointed to find out when I followed up with Ipsy that they said there was like a certain number of week window, 4 or 6 weeks. I know I was late following up with them, where if it was outside of that, they would not send me a replacement. So even though I paid for my June one, I did not receive my June one, and I will not be receiving my June one, which is frustrating. I'm not even gonna go back and look and see what it was because I don't wanna know if there was something super fabulous in there that I'm just not going to be getting it. But I do have this one. I'm excited about this one, and I think it's time to open it. I have not been spoiled on this at all, which is wonderful. So let us see what is in it. I mentioned this in other videos, but there's certain things I really like to get. I like to get masks because they're good for sort of single use and seeing how they are. I like getting lip products. I like getting like mascaras. I like getting not so much eyeliners because I feel like I've had like a number of those, especially not pencil liners. I don't tend to use them. Blushes, highlights, those are always fun to get. The only thing I don't love other than the eyeliners is if I get like things like toner or cleanser, which is something that you can't really tell if you like it that much just from a couple of uses. But let's see what I got. I also very much enjoy hair products. So I feel there is something outside of the bag which feels like maybe a mask, but the bag itself feels very plasticky. Ooh, okay. We've got a hollow thing going on here. That's kind of cool. I feel like this is the kind of thing that I can give to my nieces after this and they're going to like super love it. So let us see first what is outside of the bag. Yeah, this feels like it's gonna be sheet masks, and if it is, that's awesome. Yes, okay, cool. So I have 2 sheet masks here from the brand Lab For You. One is a Juice Up Pumpkin mask with the subtitle, "Pumpkin Juice a Day Keeps Trouble Away." So hopefully get that focus there. And then the other one is Juice Up Tomato Mask that says tomato juice a day keeps trouble away. It also says on here, mask, don't drink. So I guess their entire line is like juices, but in mask form. Very cool. I'm looking forward to trying those. Yeah, they are sheet masks. I can feel the sheets inside there. Okay, let's see what is in the bag. I'm excited already. I already got one of the things that I like, which is face masks. So I can feel the card in here. Let's see what the theme is. The future is yours. Look forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow, from achieving your glowy skin goals to discovering what lights you up inside and out. A whole new world of beauty, valued at $50 plus, is in your hands. Where will you begin? That's interesting. I'm not sure they've ever referenced what the value is in the Ipsys that we've received before. So that's interesting to note. And I think it's also a little harder for them to value, or for the consumer to value, because it does tend to be samples. So let us see. Okay, this is, what would this be? A lip product? What do we got here? Ooh, okay. This is Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I've only tried like 2 things from Tatcha, but I love both the products that I tried. And of course, watching beauty YouTube, I feel like I've seen so many people use this product. I will say that this looks like it's, okay, maybe it's a bigger sample than I thought. Here, I'll just show you this up close. I thought it was going to be just this much, but it appears that the sample actually goes up to there, and then this is the lid. So it's a smaller sample, but I'm super looking forward to trying this. From Tatcha before, I've tried their cleansing oil, which to me is like my holy grail of cleansing oils. It's just Tatcha stuff is so pricey. It's incredibly hard to justify. And then my favorite sheet mask I have ever tried was the Tatcha sheet mask. I felt like it gave my skin a luminous glow for like 2 to 3 days afterwards, and it was just amazing. So super excited about this, super excited about the sheet masks. So far, good bag. So, okay, I've got a squeezy bottle here. Let's see what the squeezy bottle is. It's from a brand called Bubble Tea. I feel like I've tried something from them before. This is a peach iced tea body cream, moisturizing body cream and peach tea ice. Okay, oh, I have gotten from them before, I believe, a lip balm, if I'm thinking properly. I love body lotions. I use so much body lotion. I go through so much body lotion. So I'm excited about this because I'm definitely going to get use out of it. And of course I have to see how it smells. Oh, it actually has a seal on it. Let me get that off. Oh, that smells like, it smells like peach sour rings. It's got that very candy-ish peach smell. Oh, that smells exactly like peach rings. I am not upset about that. I love that smell. Okay, 3 for 3. Let's see. We have something that feels like a lip liner or a eyeliner, and then another squeezy tube. Let's go for the pencil-y feeling thing first. We have here Kiss and Smink lip crayon pen. Okay, awesome. It looks like it's, sorry, I'll show you the packaging first. I have obviously, maybe not obviously, but I have never heard of this brand. I don't know if that's focusing. There we go. It looks like it's going to be like a darker shade, but let's open it up and see. I keep getting wafts of the body moisturizer and it just smells so nice. Okay, so it's a little lip crayon. I love these kinds of lip products. I don't know, I don't have a mirror in here, but you know what? I had lip gloss on, so it may not be applying super well over the lip gloss. And I also totally can't tell if that's done anything, but I'm looking forward to playing around with this. I hope it is more of a sheer kind of color, considering it's a bit darker. I would really like that. Guys, I am super excited with how good everything has been so far. So let's see what the final squeezy tube is. Okay, this is super cute. It's from Tony Moly. Of course, everything from Tony Moly is super cute. Moisture Boost Cooling Algae eye serum. Okay, I have so many eye products to try, but tell me this isn't the most adorable thing ever with like a little whale on it. Ah, so nice. Okay, I just for some reason want to feel what this feels like on my hand. Okay, so it's a gel with just a very fresh kind of scent to it. And it feels like a little cooling. I bet that would feel much more intense under the eye as opposed to my hands. I think the skin's a little bit more sensitive under the eye. But it has like a little bit of a cooling feeling. So this is awesome. I'm excited about all of these products. They're all stuff that I love to be able to get. Super excited about it. Super excited about the mask, about the Tatcha spray, the lip product, the cooling under eye gel, and then what was the last thing I got? Oh, the peach body lotion, of course. So yeah, I will get use out of all of this stuff, which is awesome. So let's see what they say about it on the card. So they don't talk about the products in here. I find Ipsy is sort of back and forth on whether they actually try to talk about the products in this, but I think because they do such a mix for different people, it's just really hard for them to be able to personalize these cards to what people are getting. So instead they're talking about 3 ingredients that are sort of like new buzz ingredients, but what they actually do. So they're talking about the cryo effect, a naturally occurring molecule known as ATP, otherwise known as adenosine triphosphate, can mimic the anti-inflammatory effects of an ice pack to help soothe and stimulate collagen production. CBD for strands. This non-psychoactive hemp compound is a healthy hair powerhouse. CBD works by bonding to receptors in your nervous system to help soothe inflammatory responses like a dry, itchy scalp. And then mini hyaluronic acid. Good things can come in small packages. With a tiny molecular weight, mini HA molecules are able to penetrate deeper into the skin for more effective hydration. I mean, I've heard of ATP and CBD before and hyaluronic acid, but all of this is new information to me. What would be interesting is if they said, I assume maybe some of the products that are in here have some of these ingredients in it, because otherwise I'm not really sure why they're telling me about this, other than maybe sort of giving me some information that I didn't have before. But that's great. I've already said like 5 times how excited I am about all of these products. Thank you so much for joining me for this today. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.